those tips that JRA has provided, I would have figured it out, but it would have been through some blood, sweat, a little bit of frustration, and probably a whole lot of money, but that time was shaved. My name is Charles Hosch. I'm the owner of Top Flight Junk Removal here in the Dayton, Ohio market, and I've been in business since June of 2022. Been in contact with JRA, just making sure it's the right move, and I was doing market research and, building up, my knowledge base, and went to the training in February of this year. The biggest takeaways, right? So, what to expect. All the pointers and, gems of knowledge that, Sam and Christian and Lee provided to us was amazing. There were definitely a few examples of things that, I didn't even consider. I'd say that it saved a lot of time, lost profit as well. The military base here, a lot of folks come here on tour and they decide to stay in the area. And so being a local and a veteran-owned business, it resonates with a lot of the customers. Veteran or not, JRA has been amazing. Even though JRA operates on a national scale, I feel like they're just, right next door to me. Without that guidance, I would have figured it out eventually, but I think it saved me a whole lot of time. Professionalism from the start, whether it's the website or, contacting our dispatch, Maryland, their first contact with us, they're greeted professionally. And of course, when they see us in person, we have the professional image, the professional truck. We do great work, the whole life cycle from beginning to end. We try to be as professional as possible. I'd say to pull the trigger, invest in yourself, invest in your dream. JRA is going to take you in the direction that you want to go. It's money well spent.